What's going on, guys? Trey2Wavy here. First video on the tube, bro. First video on the tube, man. Been getting a lot of requests to do it. Never really had the time. Got time now. Got a little time on my hands here. And I said, hey, why not go ahead and start a video? You know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and get on the tube real quick. Get our wet. I said get our wet feet. Get our feet wet real quick, you know what I'm saying? See what's going on, what's popping, what's really going on out here, man. So look, first video on the tube. We gonna start off with something light, but it's a banger. We gonna get on Monkey, have girls rate us 1 through 10, and we gonna see what we get. I'm not gonna talk too much, man. We gonna get right into it. What's up? Ah shit. Hey, I'm recording a video. Hey, add time. I'm recording a video. Can you do me a favor?
Yeah.
Can you rate me 1 through 10? 8. 9, 8. It's 9 and the 8. Hey, alright. No offense. I don't want to be mad. We gonna skip that though. You don't never know. Hey, what's up? Hey.
What's up?
Hey, add time real quick. Add time.
I did. Why?
Alright. Hey, I'm recording a video. Can I get y'all to rate me 1 through 10 real quick?
Huh? What?
I said I'm recording a video. Can I get you to rate me 1 through 10?
0.
Bitch, you got me fucked up. You can suck my left nut.
I might. Hey, what's up?
Oh, why your eyes separate and it looks small? You like that Snapchat?
Hey, add time. Alright, since you roasted me and stuff, rate me one. Rate Snapchat filter 1 through 10 real quick.
What?
I said rate me 1 through 10 real quick, since I look like a Snapchat filter.
Obviously, you're fucking. You're not even on the scale. It's a 0. I know it's no damn -0, but you can fucking -0.
Oh! He needs some milk.
That's crazy. Alright, so you see it there. We got demons walking this earth. That was a demon child. That was a demon child. Golly. Why was she going like that? Damn. Her nigga must have fucked her best friend or something. I don't know what that was, but that is beyond me, brother. We gonna keep going though. What's up? What's up? You sick and shutty in today or something? You don't talk, huh?
Nope, not to you.
Oh, that's tough. She straight up said, nope, not to you. Wow. This is not a good day today, man. It's not, bro. You know what? Let me hear something good today. What's up?
Hello?
You in school, huh? Hey, that time? Hey, you can do me a favor and rate me 1 through 10 real quick? 8. 8, that's fine. I'll take an 8. Alright, I appreciate it. Better than these other ones, boy. I got my ass roasted. You ever get roasted and you can't do nothing but laugh or smile because you don't got to come back?
I got it.
Oh wow, we got the whole choir. That's crazy. Hey, add time. Alright, since all y'all here, I'm doing the video. Can I get y'all to rate me 1 through 10? I said I'm rating the video.
What?
Can I get everybody to rate me 1 through 10?
10.
That's a 10. I'll take it. That's a 10. What about the rest of y'all? want to hear from the whole choir, the whole room.
God damn. You a whole 10.
Bitch, I still can't take an L in a Lexus. Bitch, I still can't take an L in a Lexus. Bitch, I still can't take an L in a Lexus.
Quick by the thumbs, man. That's crazy. What's up with it? Oh, wow.
Boy!
Bro, I'm so sleepy, man. I need to go to sleep. Guys, if you're just getting out of high school or in school, don't get an overnight job, man. It kills you. What's up? Hey, add time real quick. Hey, look. I'm recording a video. Can I get y'all to do me a favor?
Yeah.
Can I get you to rate me 1 through 10 real quick?
1,000, baby.
1,000, baby.
That nigga. I'm that nigga.
1,000, baby. Yes. 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 What's up? Damn, this shit, bro. What's up with it? Constantly getting ignored. Getting ignored. That's really how it be in real life, bro. I send a message, I get ignored. I DM, ignored. I call, ignored. You know what I'm saying? I get no attention whatsoever, bro. None. It sucks being ugly. Woo! Wow. What's up with it?
What's up?
Oh, you big chillin'. You chillin'. Hey, add time. You chillin'. Hey, can I get you to rate me 1 through 10?
1 through 10, you like a little 9.
Yeah. Your girlfriend, she out in my ear.
What's up?
What it do? Hey, add time.
Oh, nigga, glowing, you glowing like hell.
Glow. Hey, can I get you to do something for me real quick?
What's that?
Can I get you to rate me 1 through 10?
100. Stop, bro.
What's up? Oh, you cute. Okay. Add
What
time.
you up to?
Nah.
At time? Alright,
Yeah.
let me just wait till the 3 seconds go.
That's crazy. She played me. And I called her cute. That's what I mean by I say y'all bougie. You know what I'm saying? If you get called cute, you gotta show some type of respect, bro. Some type of respect. That's all I ask for. Maybe it's too much, but we can't go out like that. What's up? Hey, add time. Add time. That's it. Look, man. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe. Remember, if we get 5 likes, I will take this out in public. I will personally take this out in public. I'm gonna gather a couple homeboys. We gonna go out somewhere. I'm gonna find somewhere for y'all, and we gonna do this rate 1 through 10 in public. You know what I'm saying? In person, face to face. Ooh, it's gonna get right. It's gonna get right around here. You know what I'm saying? But look, yeah, man. Subscribe if you like what you see. Leave a like on here so we can get this 5 so I can go outside. You know what I'm saying? Oh, but look, man. I enjoyed y'all. Hope you enjoyed me. Peace.